Hey everyone, my name is Ibad Asim. I'm a third year architecture student and I'm studying Physics 101. And in this video, I'll be presenting my project, which is called Finding Out the Coefficient of Static Friction through Usage of Different Materials. The apparatus I've used in this experiment is a wooden block, a fulcrum, and an inclinometer, as well as a meter ruler. And the materials used in this experiment are one piece of paper, one piece of copper sheet, and a one piece of cardboard. Now in the demonstration of this experiment, we will slowly increase the incline of the plane until the block starts moving, at which the point of the force applied by gravity will be greater than the static friction. By the help of the angle at that point, we will be able to calculate our coefficient of static friction. The angle seen in the inclinometer, as well as taking the measure of the length and height of the inclined plane, we will calculate the experimental value of the coefficient of that static friction for all three materials. The vertical distance and the horizontal distance calculated at the specific angle of the inclined plane will be used in the graph to calculate the coefficient of static friction value. Now on the screen we can see the end result of the experiment showing us the coefficient of static friction by angle and by the graph, and now showing us the error percentage with respect to the theoretical value. There is a slight difference in there, most likely due to the use of meter scale in the measurement of height and width, which is not very accurate compared to the inclinometer. In case of wood on paper, there is a significant error due to the available paper having more of a rough texture, as well as the fact that the theoretical value of wood on paper is significantly less, and so the compared value due to the rough texture is more higher. Also, if you can see in the table, there are three errors which can be compared to improve the validity of the experiment. For wood on paper, the coefficient of static friction is a ranged value, not a fixed one, and due to it being 43.6%, it lies in the upper range. And when compared to the theoretical value of wood on paper, the error is more significant and higher. For the wood on cardboard, the percentage error is significantly less when compared to the theoretical value of 0.5, and this error is more acceptable and can be due to the human error when measuring the angle and the y and x value. The other error which might have occurred is due to the texture of the cardboard. If we look at copper, these values are more acceptable as well when compared to the theoretical value of 0.6. This error could have occurred because the texture of the copper is bumpy as well. Other than that, we are able to successfully complete our project. So thank you for listening.